Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can mirror your Android skin into your PC or laptop. First you have to go to your laptop or PC setting, then click to system. You will find the option of projecting to this PC. Click on it. You have to do some setting, select available everywhere and first time only, and those must be off. But now you have to go to your Android. In Android you have to scroll down your screen. Just it. You will find a multi-screen or screen mirroring option in this. Just click on it and you will find your laptop in this option. You must have your Wi-Fi on, so just only click on the laptop option. This showing is connecting. Now connected. You can see my phone and laptop screen. Thus I connected. Thank you for watching.